Thank you. Thank you so much.
No.
Thank you so much, Melvin, for that introduction. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First, I'd like to thank the organizers for this opportunity to speak here. My name is Jyoti Singh. I head the business development of Oman. I'm also the country lead for exams. As you know, the British Council is the UK international organization for cultural relation and educational relationships. Part of our work includes delivering IELTS all over Oman. As you are aware, IELTS is accepted as a proof of English language proficiency for study, work, and migration to Australia, Canada, UK, and the US. In Oman, every year, there are thousands of students who do take IELTS for various reasons, mainly for scholarship purposes to go abroad, which is supported by the Ministry of Higher Education, as well as internally. Taking IELTS is compulsory for a scholarship if you want to go abroad with the Ministry of Education, as well as internally, if you have an IELTS band or 5.5 or more, you can be exempted from the foundation year and go directly into the degree course. So in that way, you can save a year. We do almost 14,000 IELTS tests a year. That includes paper-based as well as computer-delivered, which we introduced a couple of years ago. As you know, we are, as I said, the leading providers for IELTS, and we are the country. We test from Musandam to Salalah. So once a month. I'll tell you more about that a little later. We get a lot of inquiries from candidates regarding IELTS. So I'm going to take you through a short presentation. And if you all have any questions, do not hesitate to ask in the chat and we will get back to you. So I'm going to start the presentation. Just give me a minute since I'm not very tech savvy. Okay. So as you know, IELTS opens opportunity doors worldwide, whether it is for migration or it is for education. So why choose IELTS? As you know, IELTS assesses the English proficiency of individuals, and it can be, just give me a second, please. I can't, just give me a second, please. I want the camera off. Okay. Sorry, as I said, I'm a little insecure with technology. So as I said, IELTS is a secure, valid, and reliable indicator of your English language skills. It has global recognition, and it is a benchmark for your English language. Why choose IELTS? Because it's accepted all over the world in international universities, in local universities, for immigration purposes, as well as for your job progression, career progression. IELTS is accepted over 10,000 organizations in 140 countries. They are all over in the US as well as in, of course, in other countries. All universities in the UK, Australia, and New Zealand accept IELTS. Immigration authorities for Canada, Australia, and New Zealand accept IELTS. And also a lot of employers give preference to candidates who have an IELTS on their CV. So we have different kinds, as you know, we have the standard IELTS and then we have the UKVI. The UKVI is required by your university or organization in the UK. I always advise candidates to first find out from the university they are applying to whether they require standard IELTS or a UKVI. Remember, if you do a UKVI, you can get into all universities in other countries also. It's not just that it will not be accepted in other countries. Then we have the life skills, which are used for immigration and visa purposes. If you want to join your spouse in the UK, then you need to take a life skill exam. Last year, more than 3.5 million test takers took IELTS. So it just shows what an important test it is and how much credibility this test has. There are different kind of delivery modes and versions and about with this test. So there are two, there's paper-based and computer-delivered. The computer-delivered test is being introduced in Oman just a year ago by us, and I must say it's taken off very well. The result is available in 3 to 5 days, which is very, very important because very often young children tend to register last minute for their IELTS, and then they are, in a rush to get the result. And the paper-based takes 13 days. Both have the academic and the general training versions. And the speaking is done face-to-face by an examiner. This is a computer-delivered test. So as I said, the computer-delivered test, the result is available in 3 to 5 days, while the paper-based is 13 days. And in Oman, we are doing computer-delivered up to 5 days a week. We have 3 sessions a day. As far as paper-based is concerned, we've got 48 test dates in a year, which you can find on our webpage, and you can book almost 6 months in advance for your test date. Structure and contents of the test. So as you know, we have the academic and the general training. Normally, the academic is taken for further studies, and the general training for immigration, vocational, secondary education. But we still advise all candidates to confirm with their university or organization which test they would prefer them to take. As you know, the IELTS has 4 modules: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. The listening is common to both the academic and the general training. It's for 40 minutes. There are 4 sections and there are 40 items. The academic reading, again, is 60 minutes, 3 sections, 40 items. General training is the same, but it's a difference. So the academic and general training, reading and writing, are 2 different papers. Both are for 60 minutes each, and there are 2 tasks. And the speaking is from 11 to 14 minutes in 3 parts. That is, again, the same for academic and general training. How can we help you? So the British Council offers a lot of support to the test takers. We have an orientation here twice a month for our candidates, which is free of cost. Candidates who registered can come for it, as well as candidates who still are thinking of taking IELTS can both come. They need to register with the call center. Then we also have some other applications, the Road to IELTS. I'll just tell you about it. So we have the Road to IELTS. Once you register with us, you get a passcode which you can enter, and it's 30 minutes of free preparation course. It helps you understand the test better. It helps you know about the test, know about what to expect for the test and avoid common errors. This is one preparation material which is extremely useful, and you get it when you register with the British Council. Of course, then we have IELTS Future Learn. These are apps that you can download once you register with us and make full use of them, as they are free. The IELTS Prep, as well as the IELTS Word app, which is again a very helpful app for you. It tests your vocabulary and it prepares you for the test. So in Oman, we have been fortunate to sign up with some very important stakeholders. We've got the Sultan Qaboos University as a partner, the Sohar University. In Salalah, we have the English Language Center, and then we've got the applied colleges, we've got the military college, we've got CBFS. These are all partners who we have with us. We test their candidates, as well as in these cities, once a month we test, go there, the staff goes from here to test the candidates there. You'll be surprised to know that we also test in Musandam occasionally when there is a need. And we test for the higher colleges of technology on the same day in all the colleges. So there's a very wide range of partners that we've got who help us deliver the IELTS, and they are there always for their students. We go and test just their students in their colleges. So whenever there is any need for a large number of students to be tested in a particular city, The British Council is always there to help so that the candidates don't need to move out from there, and it can be done in their premises. These days, of course, we've been facing a lot of difficult. It's been a difficult time for everyone, the candidates as well as us, as far as COVID is concerned. But we have our own venue at the Muscat University, which has got all the possible facilities you can think of, and your safety is always our priority. So we've made sure we have social distancing of 2 meters. We have plexiglass for our speaking tests. We've got temperature checks. We've got, headgear special, as I'll show you for the headphones. Every time they're used, they're disposed of. There's the venue is sanitized, as you can see, with the sanitized gun, and they have, masks available. So we've tried to take whatever precautions we can to help make it easier for you. In fact, we've had a number of visits from the Ministry of Education, and they have greatly appreciated the effort we are making to ensure that everyone is safe during these times. So basically, that's the end of my presentation. You can always, there's a website at the bottom. You can log in there and register with us. We have a call center where you can give a call anytime and register. We do online registration for you. Pretty soon, we are going to start taking online payments. So basically, sitting in your house, you can register for us. The call center number is 800-74326. So if there's any question, please do put it in the chat and I will do my best to answer it for you.